So this is Dusty, my 1969 Land Rover ambulance. I am so close to completion, but thought I'd give you a quick look. Lexan floors everywhere. Lexan skins through the bulkheads here. These windows need to be installed. Skylight, my design. A revolving lamp up there. It's an amber revolving lamp. Still have to put the blinker lights and marker lights in. That's the engine. Original fog lights on the bumpers there. It's pretty dirty right now. I've just been building, not cleaning. Little locker. That locker goes as an open cavity all the way to the opposite side. All these holes here, these are just temporary. And eventually I'll be rebuilding the moving glasses and drop down shades, and it's quite a big job. So this is one of the stretchers as it looks when it's put away. And we don't need, the stretcher racks, the tracks for the stretchers to slide on. And here's the lower set, so there's 4 possible stretchers that can be put in. And this is what the deployed stretcher rack looks like. Like that. It'll support into the ceiling there. And the other side is just attached to the wall back there. Also clear floors and skylight there. I cut away the center section, so that's 1/3 of the ceiling is actually clear Lexan, and those holes there were there from before for just air ventilation, but I removed the vents for it. Drop down steps, they fold up into here, into that cavity like that. You can see that angle better. So they flip up and roll up, closes up, and these are my clear doors. Yeah, 69 Land Rover. Bit of the back. Yeah. So it's pretty rad. Did a hell of a lot of work just now. Put in a lot of pieces, so this is just about it.